And your EEs are just going to start from your hip and they're going to walk up. You're going to walk to the right. No, nothing. Your EEs just stand up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they're going to tap. You're going to walk back to the center 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to walk back 4 times. 5, 6. Roll your hands. Okay, so up is going to come up, center, and down. Okay, there we go. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diagonal back, diagonal, 8 step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to flip on this left hip, your EEs, and they're going to come all the way around to your right hip, and you're going to do a turn all the way around with an omni to face forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here we are here. It went from here, come back here. Now, and when you turn, take your arms with you. 1, 2, take it with you. 4, take them, Derek. 6, 7, 8. Yes.
I was wondering why.
Now you're going to reverse it to the left. Walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center. 2, 3, 4. Go back. Elbow points the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop right there. If you don't know which way to turn, you turn toward your elbow. So your EEs come on the outside. You're going to flip them and turn to face that wall this time. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it stays here. 5, 6, 7, right hand goes up 8. Okay, from here. Ready? Here we go. 5,
6, 7, 8.
Right, go back, push left, go back,